Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mon-Ara with another new video on skincare tips and a healthy lifestyle. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Hello everyone, today we are making the famous papaya kojic soap for lightening. Now this soap is made with 100% papaya fruit, some oils, your lye, and it is unscented and also has no colorant. To start, I am going to be blending my papaya. I blended it with some orange or grapefruit just to make sure I get enough liquid from it. After blending, you want to strain it just to make sure you do not have any particles and you can get a smooth liquid as possible, smooth as possible. Then you want to freeze this in an ice cube container and use it once it is frozen. Here I have all the ingredients for this soap. Over there I have my lye, sodium hydroxide lye. And here I have my kojic acid. I am using kojic acid depalmited, and I'm going to talk more about it later. And there I am using a green papaya powder, which I use for my protein smoothies. To start, you're going to need to melt your hard oils and also make sure to melt your sodium hydroxide in your liquid. Let's get it started. Add your lye mixture, which is your lye and your papaya all mixed together with your oils. You're adding your hard oils and your soft oils together. Hard oils are your shea butter and whatever coconut oil or palm oil that is hard, and then you need to melt that. And I am soaping at a very low temperature. I like to soap around 100 degrees or lower. And I'm just going to add my papaya seed, which I already seed powder, which was pre-mixed with water just to make sure it is nicely incorporated into the soap. This is going to make my soap thicken faster than normal, which is fine because I do not have any set design for this soap. This is a simple soap that I'm making. To this I am adding my kojic acid depalmited, which is more superior to your regular kojic acid, and it's also used in lightening lotions, soaps, and all other lightening skincare products. It is effective or used as a skin whitening ingredient to reduce the appearance of age spots, and this one is oil soluble, so I had to mix it with a little bit of oil just to make sure it is melted. It comes in powder form. And now you want to mix this till your soap gets to trace. And this actually gave me like a light colored, very light colored, I would say like a light colored papaya, but it ended up curing like a white soap. So to this I'm just going to do a little design just at the top of the soap just to give it some texture. And why we make papaya soap is because papaya is rich in an enzyme called papain, which is responsible for the lightening properties and can reduce the visibility of your blemishes and acne scars. And it also acts as a gentle exfoliator. And using this every day topically on your skin will actually result in smooth, brighter skin. In addition to that, with the kojic acid depalmitate, you have your homemade papaya kojic acid lightening soap. I use this specifically for my face as my face soap, and it's very, very gentle. I made this soap with a super fat of 7%, and all the ingredients will be found in the description box. and I also put it at the beginning of this video. So if you want to go back and check everything that I used, the percentage and amount, it's in the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to allow your soap cure for at least a month and a half, 6 weeks before you use. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more interesting videos. Bye.